We all have implicit bias. These unconscious biases that we carry are influenced by our life experiences and the messages we are given, either intentionally or unintentionally, about ourselves and others. These messages are unconscious because they are not at the forefront of our thoughts. They're stored in the amygdala, a small portion of the brain with the primary purpose of protecting us from danger. If I'm walking to my car at night and I see someone approaching, my amygdala is going to react quickly to try to assess how safe I am. Our brain places people into categories based on outward appearances, and those stereotypes allow our amygdala to quickly size up our situation. We're using stored information from life experiences, but those stereotypes are not always accurate. This is not limited to dangerous situations. At work, we might react to people differently without even thinking about how our stereotypes might be influencing our actions. To overcome these biases and limit their impact, we should try to pay attention to the judgments and perceptions we have about people. We can add new information to our brain's memory by interacting with different groups of people, be open to sharing, and be patient with ourselves and others. We all have implicit biases. That's just the way our brain works. By making an effort to notice when our biases influence our unconscious judgments of others, we can strive to minimize the impact our biases have on our beliefs and actions.